Stay strong. Stay powerful. Stay fearless. Keep evolving. It's a moment of evolution hard. Again, it's all about how you want to look at everything. Right now, you know, it's a time for many to stop, to have a look at themselves, to see what's going on, to see what's affecting them, to see what's affecting their state of being, and to work on it, to develop, to grow. So sometimes redirecting this moment to that awareness, you know, instead of being like, oh, I wish I could be doing that. Oh, I wish I could, you know, don't worry about that. Whatever you want's coming. Relax. Focus on you. No matter what side of the fence you're on right now, if you think it's all a joke, it's all a hoax, or if you believe in this event that's taking place right now, whatever side you're on, you've made your decision. Now work on yourself, man. You got time. Do something about it. You got some time for yourself. So wouldn't it be a good idea to develop yourself, to evolve? I think it's not a bad idea.